LG gas range. How to clean the cooktop. This video will show you how to clean the cooktop on a gas range. Caution: to avoid burns, wear oven mitts or use pot holders if you need to touch any part of the cooktop while it is still hot. For safety, wait until the range has cooled down before lifting grates, burner heads, or caps. How to clean the cooktop. For best performance and to extend the life of your range, follow these steps to clean the burner heads, caps, and grates on the cooktop. A few warnings. Do not clean this appliance with bleach. Do not use steel wool or scouring powders to clean the burner heads or caps. Do not hit the spark igniters with anything hard, as this can damage them. To prevent burns, wait until the cooktop has cooled down before touching any of its parts. The burners have removable heads and caps for easy cleaning. For even and unhampered flames, the slits in the burner heads must be kept clean at all times. The burner heads and caps and the oval burner head and cap assembly can be lifted off. Burner cap, burner head, and grate cleaning. To clean the burner heads and caps, remove the grates from the range. Then remove the burner heads and caps. Soak the burner heads and caps in a solution of mild liquid detergent and warm water for 20 to 30 minutes. Then clean them with a non-abrasive sponge. Use a toothbrush to get rid of stubborn stains and clean out ports on the burner head. After cleaning the burner heads and caps, shake out any excess water and let them dry thoroughly before reinstalling. A wet burner head or cap can prevent a burner from lighting. Place the burner heads and caps over the spark igniters on the cooktop in the correct locations according to their size. Make sure that the burner caps are evenly seated on top of the burner heads. If the caps are not properly assembled, the burners may not light or may produce uneven flames. Wash grates on a regular basis and after spillovers. Wash the grates in hot, soapy water and rinse with clean water. After cleaning the grates, let them dry completely and then securely position them over the burners. Cleaning the cooktop surface. Foods with high acid or sugar content may cause a dull spot if allowed to set. Scrape off and remove any burn-on debris with a plastic scraper or old credit card. Wash and rinse soon after the surface has cooled. To avoid burns, do not clean the cooktop surface until it has cooled. For other spills such as oil, grease spattering, wash with soap and water when the surface has cooled, then rinse and polish with a dry cloth.